We're reviewing today a 12-inch 54 LED light that you're able to change the kelvins from cool to warm to medium and so forth. That you can stick up anywhere imaginable, that you have two self-adhesive stickers. We're going to show you what this light is about. From the company JIRBEEY, it's a 54 LED under cabinet, on a door frame, or anywhere imaginable you want to put cabinet lightings. And these are battery operated, PIR sensor with the built-in battery. As we open up the package, this has three lighting modes: daytime, automatic, and nighttime. And we're going to open up and show you what you get inside the box. It's nicely packaged. You get the USB-C cables, magnetic strips, and two lights protected by foam and plastic, and the instruction guide. When removing the plastic, please be careful, as there is a protective plastic cover that comes off that prevents the light from turning on during shipment. This is the plastic cover, can be put back on when transporting. The 12-inch strip has three levels of kelvins: 3000, 4000, 6000, and dimmable, and will shut off after 25 full seconds. With the built-in 1000 milliamp battery, we have a USB-C charging cable that plugs into the unit's side. Plug this into the optional brick. It can be plugged into a power bank or the optional brick on the side and charge. It charges at 5 volts, 0.4 amps with the red light that turns green after a couple of hours. Each unit has a square pad, magnetic, on a round circle magnet located over here. When placing on, allow the stickers to adhere, adjust, and then peel the stickers off, clean the area, and stick up. On the manual paper is also located on the back of the light on how to use. To operate the unit, you have some buttons: mode 1, 2, and 3. On the inner button towards the bottom, when you press, turns the light on. Daytime, press again. Nighttime, it flashes 3 times. And again for automatic, daytime. So when it senses, it'll go on for 25 seconds. To dim down, hold the outer button. It dims down. Hold it again to brighten up. Choose the level you desire. For hallways, staircases, garage areas, door entries, and exits. With the magnetic base, simply just find a metal frame and stick up. When going into the PIR sensor at 100+ degrees, it should pick up and light up the area, and after 25 seconds, shut down. When you move and detects motion, it turns on. If the kelvin is not to your liking, you have 3 different kelvins: 3000, 6000, 4000. Press of the button, short press. We have under cabinet lightings, and we need to have additional cabinet lighting underneath a range. It sticks up to the area where it's metal or the self-adhesive sticks and lights up the area. Extends your under cabinet lighting. If you need to change to a different kelvin, you can do so by turning the lights on to the choice of your desire. And then you match your lighting of the other unit. This is the constant on, it stays on. As we walk over, it won't detect or shut off, it'll always stay in the on position. We could change it to different modes: auto, day, and night. Anywhere that you need to put a light, outside or inside a fridge. Underneath a nook, as you walk by, the light will turn on and light up. As we're going to put the mounts on, adhesive stickers peel off. Show you how simple it is to install. Find a location that you want to stick up and press. When walking into the armoire, the light comes on, and when you need to recharge, just grab the light, remove it. There are the stickers, and simply align, and off you go. As we open up the armoire, as you step into the armoire and you want to wave the light on, it'll come on. After 25 seconds, the light should shut off to the next time you're ready to open up. The 12-inch 54 LED 1000 milliamp lights, they can be held in the hand and walked around in the dark, put in the automobile, indoors. They're IP rated to a certain extent. They can be placed on floors, ceilings, attics, basements, wherever you need to have light. They are a portable light, an under cabinet light for all your lighting needs. I hope you enjoy your product no matter where you stick them up, underneath the desk, like so, to give you a light. In a closet where it's dark, no light. Even underneath the cabinet that will light up down below. And when you need to light to go to a bathroom, that you can simply light up the area. I hope you enjoy your light if this is what you're looking for in your household lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.